What's up, guys? Welcome. We're live. How's everyone doing? What's up, Paige? How you doing? Yeah, let's talk about markets. We are so close to all-time highs. Could you believe it? When we were down here, man, the market has been on steroids, guys. Absolute steroids. Look at this move. Damn. It's 10%. Literally since in 15 days. 10%. S&P does 12% a year. And it's just on 10% in 15 days. I think next stop is all-time highs. I think that's where the market's going to go here. I would love a dip, but it doesn't look like there's going to be any dip coming. I was looking for a dip down to here, maybe to go long, but it just doesn't look like it's going to happen. NQ all-time highs is a bit higher. Here we go. We have just open. It would be really nice if we can get a move down. It would be really nice. Just doesn't look very likely. I think the market just wants the all-time highs now. But we'll see. Let's grab some gamma levels here. Yeah, I'd love some dips to buy, but it doesn't look like I didn't catch a single trade yesterday. Not a single trade. Yes. Implied move upper. Unexpected. Let's move extreme for now. All right. Retest of the VWAP here. Yes, just looks like it wants to keep going. Yeah, gap up on S&P 500 here. Okay, so you got some gamma right before the all-time highs. Extreme expected and implied. Okay. All right. QQQ is almost coming into this gamma. QQQ is almost back at all-time highs, guys. Wow. It's not far. Let's just mark the all-time highs. Yeah, the Nasdaq hasn't seen an all-time highs in 5 months. It hasn't seen an all-time high. Yeah, so we've got some gamma resistance here on QQQ coming up. I think a pop above the daily high and then maybe a drop, maybe. Let's see. Into this gamma here. Every move just keeps getting eaten up on Nasdaq. Every move down just gets eaten. VIX is on the floor, guys. It's collapsing, completely collapsing. ES is taking the daily high. Now Nasdaq looks like it wants to keep going higher. See what Bitcoin's doing. Flat on the day after the swing failure pattern. Man, it's just going to be a difficult day. It's going to be a difficult day. We don't have any news, right? Nothing. Yeah, market's going to keep going higher. Been a long since pre-market. Nice. Yeah, that's probably the right move. Because I think MQ's gonna keep going here. It's gonna break the highs. At least towards 60, 70. Yeah, at least above this highs into this gamma level, and 630 on QQQ, or 630. I don't think it's gonna stop until until those levels are hit. Or even if it, I mean, even if it stops, that is. Maybe it doesn't stop at all. This market's just insane right now. Can't believe how desperate Wall Street were to buy stocks. They were so desperate. Matter in fact, let's have a look at some of the stocks. So Nvidia. Man. Damn, wow. Apple's not there yet though. Microsoft. Still got a long way to go. Netflix. What a buy. Netflix was at 75. If you bought that, you're already up 40% on a blue chip. Google's almost back at all-time highs. AMD's almost back at all-time highs. Palantir getting a lift off. NQ about to take the highs right now. Man. Nike stock's getting a lift as well. Might be a good buy, Nike. $45. Down 76% this stock. Good morning, K-Doc. How you doing, brother? All right, so we've hit that gamma level now, and QQQ also hit the bigger gamma level. So this is resistance for sure. So yeah, be careful here. Market could start pulling back. I don't know if it's going to hold or not, but we'll see. Nothing is able to keep this market down for now. It's pretty wild. This looks like they're collecting more shorts to go up again. Every dip is being met with aggressive buyers. Every dip. Literally every dip is getting met by aggressive buyers. But this is definitely big resistance. Big resistance. We'll see. Nah. Just not a. I can't long up here. I've got to get longs from from lower. I was hoping the market falls to here today, to 820s, but doesn't look like it. Very unlikely. So I'd have to reposition some longs from here, most likely. Go back up. Yeah, I can't long up there. That's just not part of my playbook. Even though it's probably gonna keep going, I can't. I just can't do it. I can't long up here. That's just me going against my rules and just chasing the market. I don't really like to do that. But nice rejection though. I did say that is a very big resistance. That gamma 630 on the QQQ, and then smacked straight above the daily high into this gamma level, and now we've got a big rejection from it. That is a 50-point rejection. I hope Paige you're out of the trade. Yeah, this is getting really gnarly now. Gamma time says gamma, Tiki gamma. Tiki is gamma, man. What's up, Tiki? How you doing, bro? Look at this buyback though. This is just wild. Really hope you're out, Paige, on that long. I hope you managed to get out. Well, it looks bullish again though, right from the value area low. It's going again. One and done. Yeah, well done. Yeah, ES got a pretty nasty rejection too. I'm waiting for a lot lower levels here. I'm not willing to long up here. It's probably going to keep going here. Probably going to keep going, yeah. Yeah. There it goes. Yeah, I don't think we're going to get... I don't think I'm going to get opportunities today to get in on this market. I don't see it happening. All markets actually make it very difficult to get any sort of decent pivot to long from. That's the fucking shit thing about bull markets. They're nice to trade because you know when you do get it, it's most likely going to play out. But bull markets make it very difficult, man, to get your pivot. They make you long. I've traded bull markets, like really bullish markets before, and they make you go long at really stupid places that you shouldn't really be longing from. This is the problem with bull markets, because they don't really give you a pullback to go long from. They don't give you like a juicy pivot. Yeah, pretty shit, to be honest. On the bear markets, when the VIX is really high, they actually fucking destroy you because of the volatility, and the margin for error is a lot bigger. So it's very hard to time your entries. Man, what a rejection that was. A quick 75-point rejection. Dicky probably went short here. Let's see, yes. Market's just on steroids, guys. This is complete steroid market. I don't know. Do we sweep the lows and come back? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna come and sweep the daily low. Yeah, I don't see it happening. The way the market's looking is, yeah, I would love it because I'm prepared to hit longs from these levels, but yeah, I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Yeah, straight to the moon. All-time highs is on ES is just there. I think it's going to happen today. It's 0.5% away, less than that. So I think ES is probably going to hit all-time highs today. Yeah, I don't see any trap at the moment. All the volume is positioned lower, around 26,021, and a little bit lower to 26k. All the volume is there. There's no trap traders here at the top here right now. Yeah, it's just looking insane. Look at this thing. ES looks a bit weak. Probably not for long though. VIX is on the floor. Yeah, Bitcoin's not really moving though. Yeah, NQ is just, fuck me, it's on steroids, man. Oops. All-time high on ES is 7,043. Oh, we're not far. S&P 500, same thing. SPY is probably the same thing as well. Yeah, all the same. Nasdaq is a little bit further from the all-time highs. Nasdaq all-time highs is pretty far away still. So this market has got a long way to rip yet. Over 3% on Nasdaq. Yeah, yes, it is. That's a good level. Take the liquidity under this low here into this implied move lower, and maybe get a retracement back higher. Let's see if this has got any single prints. Yeah. So that is something might happen. You might see yes, coming down here to take out these single prints into this implied move gamma level here, take out the low here, and then move back higher. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that is something that we're going to be watching. That's something we're going to be watching. Well, I don't know. We'll see. NQ looks like it's on steroids at the moment. It's carrying ES with it. This is the issue. ES is not giving it. NQ is not giving it up, so it's gonna drag ES with it. NQ's on drugs, man. which is fucking insane. Yeah, exactly. Bears doesn't look like Bears won it. Surely you've got to get a pullback. This has been nuts, man. Look at this thing. Over the past 2 days, it's up from the low to the high, 3.8%. Surely there's got to be a pullback. Maybe it goes to all-time highs and then does it, but we're probably gonna have to wait for that tomorrow. You're not good at NQ, yeah. How much is NQ pumped? What the hell's going on here? Wow. 4.6% on NQ. Yeah, Tiki's indicator is available. I could post a link. And we also reduced the price of the course to $2.99 as well. And yeah, Tiki's gamma is a lot cheaper than spot gamma. Yeah, you can have them, yeah. Fine. And you're still going. Yeah, they're good levels, but you got to be disciplined enough to follow them. That's why I cannot long. I can't just long anywhere. Damn, every time you look at Instagram, all the influencers have left Dubai, and all of them have gone to either Miami or Bali. Come to the States. Yeah, I'd love to come to the States. Right, in Miami. Yeah. I think Miami would be too hectic for me. I like a bit of a peaceful, quiet place. Even in Dubai, I don't live in the city center. I live further out in the residential areas where like families live. I could never live in the city center. Way too hectic for me. I need peace and quiet when I'm at home. Yeah, this is not looking like it's gonna slow down anytime, does it? Bitcoin looks like it might be rolling over though. NQ continues to rip here. It's not stopping this thing right now. Yeah, this is a pretty good market for scalpers. New 30-minute candle just open. ES didn't make a new high. NQ did though. Now ES is standing firm and NQ is trying to sell. This is not making a lot of sense. Yeah. I don't know. Just looks like looks like a bad drop, to be honest. A lot of shorts are opening here and in danger of getting trapped. You short? Okay. Ties top of the high? Yeah. Good luck with that trade. NQ going for the highs again.